Heard that. Your incantations no longer work on me, and your spells of anger have had less ferocity. But there's one thing I should have told you right from the start. Oh, the devil is the cold wind in your heart. Oh yes, the devil is the cold wind in your heart. Oh, Celia, it'll wrap you in its arms. Oh, Celia, it'll make you feel so calm. But if work is fuel for the soul, I'm a bright lit fire that's getting old, and the devil is the cold wind in your soul. And it'll rip you from piece to part if you let him blow right through your heart. And we were both there at a time when we got out, I thought you were fine. So when your soul burns and turns to dark, when you're so eager to play your part, remember the devil, he don't do things by half. And the devil is the cold wind in your heart. And the devil is the cold wind in your heart. You couldn't try to reach me now. It's not my charms, it's your lack of power. I'm not your beast of burden, I no longer pull your heart. The devil, he still lies within your heart. Oh, the devil is the cold wind in your heart. And it'll rip you from piece to part if you let him blow right through your heart. And we were both there at a time when we got out, I thought you were fine. So when your soul burns and turns to dark, and you're so eager to play your part, remember the devil, he don't do things by half. And the devil is the cold wind in your heart. And the devil is the cold wind in your heart.